Today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy.
Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 459 strategies, with 140 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 358 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,062 indicators, with 443 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. And so the source video says the most accurate SSL hybrid all-in-one trading toolkit for 2025. It's quite a mouthful. But basically they go on to show the SSL hybrid. But interesting enough, even though they say it's an all-in-one trading toolkit, it definitely isn't. They add more than one indicator to the screen. And so, but nonetheless, we'll go ahead and test the strategy like we do, and we'll see if we can get some decent results out of it. And so the first indicator we are going to add to the screen, as you can probably guess, is going to be the SSL hybrid. It's the SSL hybrid plus QQE strategy, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and when you do, it will bring up the strategy tester, TradingView strategy tester tab right here. Just go ahead and click on it to drop it back down. Then we're going to jump into the settings of the SSL hybrid, and what you're going to want to do is go into the styles and then go all the way down here, and you're going to want to turn off the labels and the trades on chart, and that'll clean everything up like I have it on my chart. Then the second indicator we are going to add to the screen is going to be the adaptive super trend oscillator, this one right here. Go ahead and add that one to the screen, and we'll leave this one on the default settings. We won't make any changes. So what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for when we get the color change or color switch from the SSL hybrid. And you'll know when the color shift takes place because it also changes the bar coloration. So the bars go from this blue color or this gray color, meaning everything's neutral, and then into this kind of reddish burgundy style color here. And so that's when the SSL hybrid switches the coloration. And when it does that, we want to look down to the super trend oscillator. And what we want is one of two things. In this case, what we have is the super trend oscillator bars, you can see them here, are up inside this red kind of cloud or very close to, and they have switched to red right here. And so that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot area here, and then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And the SSL hybrid, I suspect, is a little bit heavy, and so it's kind of bogging down the bar replay. But you can see that we get a really nice steady climb to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for, so we are looking for when the SSL hybrid switches the coloration, but this time it goes from the burgundy or the gray color to the blue color like it has right here. Then we're going to look down to the super trend oscillator, and what we want is we want the candles to be down in or close to this lower green cloud. And then we want them to have switched from the red color to the green color like it does right here. And that'll be the signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right below this pivot area. And then we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And once again, I believe the SSL hybrid is kind of messing with the bar replay because it's a very heavy indicator. And so it's just kind of bogging down the bar replay. But nonetheless, you can see that we just kind of bounce around here for a moment. Then we make this steady push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. All right, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. All right, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 12 winning trades and 38 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 24% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $7,200. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $15,200 for an overall loss of $8,000 altogether. So definitely not the most accurate all-in-one trading toolkit. Wasn't even an all-in-one trading toolkit to begin with. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 44 trades altogether. We had 37 winning trades and 7 losing trades, putting it at an 82% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $22,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $8,400 for an overall gain of $13,800. So better results all around. Now, if you would have used the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would have increased the win rate significantly. The total gain would have been closer to the $22,000, so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. And so we are still at winning trade number 70. That's 70 winning trades in a row. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade so that way you can take a look at that. That is a 100% win rate over the 70 trades using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. And backtesting, the combination was so powerful, did over 200 winning trades in a row. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then you will get your money back. You can join our Discord to take a look at the money back guarantee right here if that's something you are interested in. All right, that's it for the strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on a no list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.